Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
66-degree air temperature. We got a little bit of fair weather cloudiness out there, but nothing producing any rainfall. The rains are done. Well, that's out of here. Dew point value is at 54. We'll probably see that dew point continue to drop throughout the day today because that northwest wind will continue to funnel in that dry, cooler air. And it's a breezy wind as well, coming in right now at 21 miles per hour with gusts even higher. So we will watch that wind continue on today to draw down cooler air and kind of fight against daytime heating so that we won't warm much above where we are right now, actually. 64 degrees Mayaca City, 66 in Northport, 68 in Venice and Inglewood, 64 in Bradenton Parish. Longboat Key coming in at 67, 64 in both Arcadia and Wauchula. Temperatures today will probably top out close to the 70 mark, but not quite, probably in the upper 60s. We certainly have a lot of dry air in place, indicated by the tan colorizations going all the way back into the plateaus of Mexico. We are not going to see anything but sunshine a little later on today as soon as we clear out some of this cloud cover that's around, fair weather cloud cover. As we head into the afternoon and that sunshine establishes itself, it will be with us right straight through the next couple of days. In fact, this is going to be a week-long sunshine event. So it's going to be very nice indeed. Windy, becoming sunny, temperatures kind of hovering in the 60s all day long. But then as we head into the evening and we start to watch the winds decrease a little bit toward dawn and the skies clear out, we'll see temperatures that will be in the upper 50s tomorrow morning. So a significant drop in our temperatures over 24 hours. There's some cold air across the country. Check it out. Chicago coming in at 27, Cleveland at 43, St. Louis at 31, 35 in Memphis, even Atlanta in the upper 30s at 39 degrees. And it's some of that colder air that's being driven southward into Florida by that northwesterly wind flow. Now, we don't get anything as cold as Atlanta does for sure, but we still are well below average for this time of year. High pressure back to the west continues to build in. The frontal boundary that brought us the rains continue to push eastward. And that high brings us some quieter winds, I think, as we head into tomorrow. But for today, because of its position back to the west, because of the tight gradient between the low pressure area that brought us our rains and that high building in, winds will be breezy enough today that we have to be concerned about small craft advisories, rip current advisories, high surf advisories. Everything related to wind, especially wind-water interaction, is going to be elevated today. So we become sunny. There'll be no rain this work week, and we'll have low humidity as well. So it should be just exquisite days. Now, in a couple of days, as that high gets a little bit closer to us, we will start to warm, but we're still going to find our temperatures in the low 80s. Couple of cool nights in store for us in the 50s, then we start to warm our nighttime temperatures. Taking a look at the extended range forecast, right through Friday, we're dry, but then over the weekend, a little area of disturbed weather moves on by, and I think we have a chance of seeing some rainfall Saturday night into Sunday, most likely, before that system just exits right out of here. So the forecast kind of shaping up like this. For boating today, you know, it's not going to be a good boating day. Northwest wind at about 20, maybe decreasing a little bit as we head into tomorrow. Daytime high today, 68. Tomorrow, a little warmer, coming in at 75, but nighttime lows still on the cool side. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we start to warm just a little bit into the 80s. Still low relative humidity, plenty of wall-to-wall sunshine. It's going to be beautiful this week. Then as we head into the weekend, that little system that I showed you brings us a chance of rain.